Hey guys, so this morning I brought out all of my fishing sinker orders that I got yesterday and put them in the mailbox to ship out. And I looked over here and I saw this raccoon. He was up in the tree. He's a little bit lower now. It looks like he's just trying to find a comfortable spot to sleep at. I think he got separated from his parents or something. And yesterday it rained pretty bad, so it's pretty cold this morning, and I think he's just trying to sleep. They were probably overeating the pig's food. Bert's in there laying down right now, but they probably were in there eating his food, and he probably stayed a little bit longer than the other ones, and maybe their scent got washed away, but who knows. There was recently a raccoon found that had rabies recently in Zephyr Hills, so it's hard to tell, but it doesn't look unhealthy. Just looks cold and tired. He's up there in the mulberry tree, but none of the mulberries are ripe yet.